Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about new pens, new calligraphy pens which I bought from one of the local shops here. So this is the calligraphy 4 nib pen set. I got it for around 150 rupees. It's available in Amazon also. I will put down the link under the description box. And this one is actually a highlighter, not the calligraphy pens, but the point, the nib it has is kind of calligraphy only. So I thought let's give it a try. So let's open it. In this one I have already installed one nib. See, this is kind of calligraphy. Let's try writing something with this. Okay. So I'll just write hello with this pen. I personally don't like the ink pens, but I thought first time to give it a try. Believe in yourself. It works nice, but I'm not getting effect of calligraphy pen. As we all know, when we go down, our upstroke should be a thin and downstroke should be a thick. So this is my upstroke, this is my downstroke. I'll go up again, down, up. Let's write B. This is my upstroke, this is my downstroke. This will go up again and done. For C, this is my downstroke and upstroke. Down, down. It's working well. Let's try. See, it has 3 more nibs. I really don't know if you guys can. These nibs are quite narrower than the one which I already used. This is the one. This is the second. And this is the third one. So the one which I already used is the most broader nib. It has but a nice pen in just rupees 150. Let's try. Let's open next one, the highlighters. It comes with the 5 colors and I got it for 120 rupees. And these are the erasable highlighters. It has a two nib. This is the eraser on the back side and this is our marker. And let's try up and down stroke first. Up stroke thin and down stroke thick. I'll write hello. Okay, let me show you the eraser. See, this is nice. I'll write hello again. So up stroke, down stroke, up, down, up stroke, down stroke, up stroke, down stroke, up stroke, down stroke, up stroke. Okay, so to get the thinner stroke, you need to somewhat rotate your pen like I'm doing. To get the thin upstroke, I'm moving it, and to get the downstroke, I'm again moving my pen. Now I'll move it again. Okay, this is the downstroke. Again I'll rotate it, so we will get the exact effect of calligraphy. Let's try a new color, a pink color. See, let's write hello. Down, thinner line. Then for E, I need to rotate my pen like this while writing to get the thick and thin stroke. Perfect. Not too bad. Let's write ABCD. I'm using a green color this time. So our A goes something like this, the upstroke, then down, up, down. Then for the B, this is our up, this is our down, and again up. For the C, then for the D, same. We will first write a D and then we will put one stroke. So our D is ready. E, F, then G. So in calligraphy, the main rule is you just need to focus on your upstroke and your downstroke. There is no need to have any particular calligraphy pen. If you are getting effect of up and down stroke, up and down stroke, you're good to go. So what important is the technique of writing, not the tool which you use. So you can use any pen you want. Yeah. So this was all about today's video. Hope you guys liked it, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. It will be a great support. Thank you so much.